Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. On this channel, you will find home organization, home decor, cleaning routines, meal planning, tips and ideas. In short, all things about home and life. So if you don't want to miss any new videos, please subscribe and do follow us on Instagram for more decor and lifestyle pictures. A huge thank you for loving the first part of our Homemaker series. Now before starting today's part 2, I would like to thank Meesho, our video partner. Meesho is a reselling app where you can start your own business with zero investment. Especially if you are a homemaker, it is a great opportunity for you to try out. I will talk more about this app later on the video, so stay tuned for that. I wish to start the second part of the series with a tip that is key to all. Be respectful to yourself. Let's be realistic and ask a simple question to ourselves. How many times we respect our homemaking duties? Though there is a difference between homemaking and housekeeping, I will make a separate video on this topic. We all are putting a lot of effort to make our house into a home. It requires hard work along with lot of passion. Stop worrying much about the different designations society gives us and let's be respectful to our duties and to ourselves. Always believe whatever we are doing is of utmost importance and holds a great value to us and our family. Before moving forward, I would like to share a life-changing quote which I always follow. Respect yourself. If you don't, others won't either. So respect your homemaking duties, do your work with passion and be grateful what you have in your life. My second tip is stay put together. We homemakers have likelihood to wear nice dress or work on our looks when festivals are near the corner or we are going for a party and similar occasion. My experience taught me to change this outlook. It is not compulsion to wear a dress which has faded if we are at home. Our family will be more than happy to see us well dressed. It is not about how much money we are spending on our dresses. It is all about how neat and clean we look while we do our homemaking duties. Trust me, you will feel so good and confident about yourself. So never forget to stay put together even if you are at home. Looks and dressing do matters. Whether a homemaker or a working woman, everyone has their own struggle in life. So first of all, be very clear about our thoughts. Having said that, try to analyze the conditions and importance of your role in managing it. And once you conclude it, you can see a clear picture. So if something is not in our control, then we need to manage our expectations. Most importantly, don't seek appreciations from everyone. Ask a question. How many times in a day or in a week or even in a month we appreciate ourselves? How many times we pat ourselves that we have cleaned the space so nicely or even after saving money from an allocated budget? If you think it is a normal job that you are doing or achieving, then why to expect from others? It's all about our happiness, isn't it? If we are happy, then only we can spread the happiness among others. So it's always better to manage our expectations and live our life, not others. All this time, where have you? Try to find happiness in daily chores. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, etc. All these chores can't be the only thing we look forward to complete each day. Probably many of us don't like to do these mundane chores daily. But imagine that feeling every time we get about our cleaned home. We feel so good, right? Our family can enjoy a clean space or a delicious meal and in turns that makes us happy, isn't it? So the point is, change the mindset. Mindset is everything when it comes to do repetitive work. Just know the reason, understand the importance of your work, and I'm very sure you will be able to find your happiness in those monotonous chores. Never forget to take care of yourself. It's not only about beauty or pamper days. Of course, they are equally essential. But what I'm trying to say is to take care of your mental health as well. Learn something just for joy, just to satisfy your inner self. It could be painting, dancing, joining a gym to stay fit, or learning new things. List is so long. So many online courses are there to help you. If you want to learn better, go for paid version, or else so many free app or websites are always there to help. Only what required is just a push and a little step ahead to improve and make a better you from yesterday. Just go for it. If you follow a good home maintenance routine to take care of your home, you will be able to spare a good amount of time to take care of yourself and your hobby. So, don't forget to take care of your mental health, homemakers. Be practical, accept the reality. This tip is especially for new mothers or mother with small kids or even big kids with a lot of responsibilities. When you have a small baby or an active toddler around, it is so obvious that it will be difficult to make your home look clean and tidy all the time. Even if you have a school going kid, you have to spare a good amount of time to help them with their study or to take care of their extracurricular activities. Your family will not judge how dirty the home is, but definitely they will count how much love they find in there. So be realistic about your own situation to be a happy homemaker. Do stretch, but within limits, because everyone's happiness is connected to yours. Decision or choice should always be yours. Once taken, never regret. Everything keeps change with time. Whether it's our inner self or our lifestyle, it's inevitable. So always be prepared for the change. If today you have left your job, you know there is a good reason behind it. It would not be very wise if we draw conclusions about others' life. We just don't know what they have in their plate or how life has treated them. Be true to yourself. Whether we are a homemaker or a working woman, we need to know that the choice was always ours. The sooner we accept, it becomes so easy to move forward in life. Now here I want to include, if you are a homemaker, your kids are grown up and you have enough time to spare, then start thinking of doing something, start exploring. Meesho is here to help you. Download the app from the link given in description box below. Share the products via all social media. And if your friends and customers buy anything, you can earn through the profit margin by reselling. And moreover, you can decide your own profit margin. The product will be delivered by Meesho, and once the selling process completes, your profit will be credited in your bank account. Trust me, there is no harm in trying luck, especially when it comes with zero investment. So the choice should be yours. I really hope that this video will be able to give you a clear perspective about the homemaking journey. I would be so happy if you give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Do subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.